Today is a Thoughtful Thursday video. Thoughtful Thursdays are a video that I put out once a month. This video is hosted and put together by my sweet, dear, beautiful friend, Joy. Her channel name is Organized with Joy, and she does Thoughtful Thursdays every single Thursday. And I've always loved the idea and the concept. Basically, what I'm going to do today is while I clean my guest bathroom, I'm going to talk to you about a topic that is on my heart and in my mind today. Behind me is a shower curtain that has lived in this bathroom since we moved in. Cannot even remember where I bought it, but it does have red. Like, I have so much red throughout my house, but I did break over and I did buy a white one. And I also got a new shower liner, so I'm going to be putting that in as I clean it today as well. And I just want to invite you guys to clean along with me, and hopefully you will find my thoughts inspiring and motivation, and hopefully they will help you in some way. Yeah. That's all I wanted, and that is all I wanted to say. I just wanted to hop on here to say that. And of course, welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen today.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, close
Today, I want to talk to you about gratitude, specifically gratitude and fear. A quote by Robin Sharma says that gratitude is the antidote to fear. Is this true? I've seen many articles that report that fear and gratitude cannot coexist, that you cannot have fear where gratitude is in place. Gratitude is when you are thankful for something, when you give thanks for what you have, when you have a grateful heart, when you take the time to appreciate the things that you have in life. And gratitude can help with not only fear, anxiety, stress. It can help with so many things. But I want to talk about this today because I am in a time of year that is really hard for me. This time, 3 years ago, I was in the hospital battling for my life. A virus had attacked my heart, and I died in that hospital 2 times. And this time, every year, is so difficult for me because I am constantly remembering things that happened in the hospital. I am dreaming about things that happened in the hospital. So I thought this year, what can I do to help me get through this time? And I chose to focus on gratitude. It's not easy, but it's what I'm doing. Each and every morning when I get up, I write down just one thing that I am grateful for. But I'm making myself do something different every day. So I'm not doing the same thing every day, but I'm writing down at least one thing that I am grateful for that specific day. And anytime I feel anxious or I feel stressed, or maybe I hear a siren in the background and it makes me feel anxious about the time I was in the hospital, I try to turn my thoughts to what I wrote down that morning that I am grateful for, or just anything that I am grateful for. For example, today I was at my hairdresser's and I was getting my hair done, and I started to feel anxious and I started to feel hot, and I felt like I was going to have a panic attack. And instead of giving in to that panic attack or even acknowledging that panic attack, I started to think about the fact that I was so grateful, so wholeheartedly grateful that I was getting my hair done, because 3 years ago that was not possible. And there was a time during my hospital stay that they did not even know what would happen to me. If I did recover, would I ever be the person that I was? Would I have any memories? And oh, how thankful I am that I do have those memories. How grateful I am that I can do things, normal things like get my hair done or go get my nails done. And so I've noticed that changing those thoughts, those anxious-driven, those fear-driven thoughts have really helped me to turn my anxiety into gratitude. It's made me feel more at peace. So today, whenever I started having that panic attack and I started thinking about being grateful and the things I was grateful for, I did not have that full-blown panic attack, because I sat there and I was like, this is so wonderful. And I was able to live in that moment and to enjoy getting my hair done, because instead of thinking about things that happened 3 years ago, I was thinking about the present time and the opportunity that I got a second chance and I am doing something normal like getting my hair done. So I've seen articles and I wonder, can fear and gratitude coexist? I do believe that to some extent they can coexist, especially if you are in the middle of a panic attack. It might be hard to find gratitude in the midst of that panic attack, but I do think it makes it harder for fear and painful memories to exist when you fill your heart with gratefulness and gratitude. So I encourage you guys today to try this as well. When you feel fearful, when you feel anxious, Think of something that you are thankful for. Think of something that you are grateful for. And if you want to do like I'm doing and write down one thing each morning, go ahead. I've read that you should write down 3 to 5 things. I'm just starting with one because, like I said, this is a difficult time for me. So I am doing just the one thing each day and focusing on that. But you can do it however you want to do it. But I invite you to try this because it is really helping me tremendously this year as I go through these trying times. I'm just going to put on some music and let you guys watch the rest of this video as I finish cleaning my guest room. And I would love for you, if you are new to my channel, to hit that subscribe button and to like this video and to comment. It really helps my channel to grow and thrive, and I just want to thank you guys all for your love and support. And remember, in addition to practicing gratitude today, take time to live, laugh, and love today.
Come this way, let me be a friend. My home's open wide. We can live here. We can die. There's nothing to fear if you try. If you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky, I'll tend to your needs. We can live here. We can die. We can live here. We can die. Oh, oh, so bright and awake. My heart levitates. 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 We can live here. We can die. We can live here. We can die.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still still the same, 'cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame, it's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same, 'cause I still love them all. And my heart's not to blame, it's just the way it is. Like stars,